everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make this adorable bookmark. Let's get started! First, I would recommend printing out a template. I posted one on my blog that you can use. Once you've printed your template, cut out the pieces. Find the body piece and lightly trace it onto the white felt. Cut out 2 of these shapes and set them aside for now. Next, find the belly piece and trace it onto your fabric of choice. I'm using this cute floral fabric. Cut out 2 of these shapes as well and set them aside. Finally, trace the beak onto your orange felt and cut that out as well. Now we're ready to assemble. Cover the back of your fabric belly with a thin layer of glue and place it onto the felt body. Next, place a bit of glue onto the back edge of the beak and press it in place. Now, take your pen and draw a tiny black dot for the eye. Perfect! We're done with one side. Now use the remaining pieces to repeat the same procedure to the other side, but make sure that you mirror the first side that you made. Almost finished. Coat the inside of one of the sides with a thin layer of glue. Next, press the other piece on top. Put a bit of glue around the tip of your paperclip and place it at the bottom of your pieces. Let the glue dry and your cute little bookmark is complete. I hope you enjoyed this project, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what you would like to see next time. Thanks for watching!